You can see and do you know what it is? It is Hoan Kiem Lake. This afternoon I and my friend walk around Hoan Kiem Lake and have a very happy trip. And now I will show you about a very exciting topic. It is Vietnam and US relationship. Okay, listen. Vietnam, do you know Vietnam is a very great country and America is a great country. Vietnam and America have a long history together. You know, now is the right time to build an even closer and stronger relationship. Vietnam is inviting more and more immigrants from America come to Vietnam to share their knowledge, and America is welcoming more and more talent Vietnamese to study and work in America. You know, Vietnam and America should love each other and
gain a
and can gain a great deal from each other. And Vietnam and America should keep working
together
each other and have a lot of
to build a peaceful
happy time in school time and build a bright future. And thank you so much for spending your time